guys, it's Hayden here with another ceiling fan video. This is a Casablanca Stealth ceiling fan from the year 2015. It is running well. It's in the sunroom of my aunt and uncle's house, and this controller has a little battery thing in it. See that? It's got like a little battery that slides in there. Yeah, it's got a little battery piece that goes into the controller that powers it. So we put it in, put the battery piece in.
No.
Oh,
Leave it alone.
that's a battery. That's good.
How was it?
Oh, that goes in there.
Yeah, don't touch it.
Oh yeah, that's the battery. Hang on. Okay, guys, this is sorry about that. But I was just showing. Wait, here, like this. This is a Casablanca Stealth from 2018. So yeah, we're gonna demonstrate it. First, the light works. It's got a CFL in there. You can tell it will not dim. It just shuts it right off. And yeah, it's a nice fan. It is on speed 1. Yeah, it's got a nice low speed to it. Yeah. It is brand new ceiling fan. It's not brand new, but it's fairly new. It is a newer Casablanca fan. I love it. It's awesome. Except it's not a very. I don't feel a lot of air coming out of it because yeah, it's got a nice slow motor. It's got the very slow motor, which I like. So speed 1 right now for speed 2, which is medium, which is low 2, or maybe it's more like a medium-ish speed, or maybe a faster low. Yeah, you have to go faster low speed to it, and yeah. So here's the control for it. Now for speed 3, this is more of like a medium high. It doesn't blow a lot of air. No, I feel barely any air. Don't look at that one. Yeah, it's on like a medium high. Now for high, speed 4. Speed 4 is the only speed I really feel any air coming. Otherwise, every other speed doesn't do much air.
Oh my god, it's got all You got it all figured out. You got like 6.5%.
Yeah, it's a nice speed.
The science is so different.
Fairly new. So that concludes.
Where are the cameras? This can't be real. There's no way.
Let me put, it's on a 4-speed control. That's what it looks like with the light off. Now I'm going to shut it off. And yeah, there you have it. A 52-inch, 54-inch Casablanca Stealth. See you later, Fat Clippers Bar.